Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. What I'm going to make today doesn't require the stove. The name of the dish isn't too appetizing, but let me tell you, this is my signature dish, and I've been making this for over 20 years, and every time I make it, it goes over with a bang. And you can customize it for parties, for kids. It's dirt cake. That's right, dirt cake. It's made with Oreos. And you can customize it by putting gummy worms inside of it. So this is what you're gonna need. 3 8-ounce containers of Cool Whip. 1 5.1 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding. 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's gotta be at room temperature. If it's not at room temperature, you're gonna have lumps in it. Normally, this was made in the past with just one Oreo, but I find that towards the end I'm scrimping for Oreos. So just to make sure I have enough, I'm putting 2 in. You're going to need a couple cups of milk. You're going to need a couple tablespoons of vanilla extract. So we're going to start off by breaking these up. However you get them crumbled is fine, but I like doing it in my food processor. I'm just going to pulse this down before I add the other one. Doesn't have to be super fine. If you like bigger chunks in it, you know, that's great. Dump that in a large bowl. Oh, you're also going to need some sort of pan. I like using these disposables. You can use any kind of deep pan you want, because this is going to get layered. Okay. The hardest part on this is working in this cream cheese. Add your instant pudding. Mix this just a little bit. Now add 2 cups of milk. One, 2. Your vanilla extract. Now we start the layering process. You want to start with a layer of Oreos. Oops. And a layer of filling. So I'll do this and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, and there you have it. I did open up another bag of Oreos and used half of it, and that gave me 2 full pans. So that means I'm gonna have one for Christmas Eve and one for Christmas Day. What you're gonna want to do now is just put those in the fridge, cover them, put them in the fridge. I usually put them in, I usually make it so I can serve it the next day. So that's it. Dirt cake, Frankie. It's for you. And yeah, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And that's it. Thanks.